The Emerge 50 is India's most prestigious award recognizing deep tech startups with the potential to solve global problems at scale. This is truly a celebration of India's best deep tech startups. We're going to move into the League of 10 winners. Before that, I'd like to invite the Honorable Minister back on stage to do the honors of giving away the awards. I'd like to request Rajesh Nambiar, Kritika and Bhaskar from NASSCOM to please accompany the Minister onto the stage. I'd like to request Jayendran also to please come up on stage. Right, everyone, I hope all of you are ready and excited. This is the moment that we've all been waiting for. The announcement of our League of 10 winners from this year's edition of NASSCOM Emerge 50 Awards. The NASSCOM League of 10 truly represents the inventive deep tech from India. I'd like to announce the winners. As I do, I'd like to request the audience to please give them a big round of applause. And please note that the names are being called in random order. So I hope all of you are ready. Let's move into the League of 10 winners. And the first name is QNew Lab Private Limited for their product Q-Shield. Please give them a big round of applause. QNew is accelerating the world's transition to a quantum secure future with a made in India for the world product. Please give them a big round of applause. Please put your hands together for the next winner, Pure Skies from Devik Earth. Pure Skies from Devik Earth improves the ambient air quality at scale. Please give them a big round of applause as they come forward to receive their well-deserved award. The next winner is Quanfluence for their product Optical Icing Machine Photonic Quantum Computer. Please give them a huge round of applause as they come forward to receive their award. Quanfluence for their product Optical Icing Machine Photonic Quantum Computer. Tonight we celebrate some of India's best deep tech startups. They truly deserve the awards they're collecting. I request all of you to please make this a moment that they'll remember for a long time. Show them your appreciation as we wish them the very best. Please put your hands together for the next winner, the E-Plane Company. Creating India's first and the world's most compact flying electric taxis to reduce urban congestion globally. The E-Plane Company. As we roll down that list, please put your hands together for the next winner, Observe AI. Empowering businesses to unlock revenue, efficiencies, and exceptional customer experiences through the transformative power of AI. Observe AI. Please welcome our next winners onto the stage, Pantheon Technologies. Pantheon has developed a patented AES-based algorithm eliminating key exchange vulnerabilities. Please put your hands together for Pantheon Technologies. We'll make sure the award reaches them. They're not here. The next winner is Tradomate One. Tradomate One is an AI-driven platform empowering traders with strategy automation, backtesting, and optimization. Please give them a big round of applause. Tradomate One. Please put your hands together for the next winner, Croatia Technologies, an underwater robotics startup working on the development of unmanned underwater robots for inspection of submerged infrastructure. Please give them a big round of applause. Croatia Technologies. We have two more names on the list, and next up is Manasthu Space Technologies. Manasthu Space Technologies, they are revolutionizing satellite propulsion with green, high-performance technology, ensuring safer space operations and agility. Manasthu Space Technologies, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. And last but not least, our final winner, NCF Green Energy, a sustainable, smoke-free and energy-efficient heating solution. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the League of 10 winners. I request you to give them all a huge round of applause. And I'd like to invite all the winners to come up on stage. I'd like to request all the winners to please come back on stage for a photo op. Please stay behind. I'd like to invite Mayank from the NASSCOM team to please come on stage. Mayank from NASSCOM, please come up on stage. Once again, congratulations to all the winners. Please give them a huge round of applause as we congratulate them and wish them the very best in all the endeavors. I'd like to thank the Honourable Minister for taking time out and joining us this evening. I'd like to request all of you to please give him a big round of applause.